The Indian civil aviation industry is on a high growth today. India is presumed to be the third largest aviation market as of today and is expected to be the largest by 2030.
The civil aviation industry in India has ushered in a new era of expansion driven by many factors.
The world is focused on Indian aviation, from manufacturers, tourism boards, airlines, global businesses to individual travelers, shippers and businessmen.
If you have a passion for excelling in an aviation industry, then we have the excellence in training and getting you where you want.
Many students who wish to pursue their career in the field of aviation can get a great opportunity to educate themselves in the best institution. One name among them stands top today. Fledge Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, situated at Cunningham Road, Vasant Nagar, Bangalore, has all the facilities and amenities required for a premier institution.
We at Fledge focus on fledging the young aspirants from different backgrounds, ethnicities, nationalities who dream of flying high. We rear them to acquire wings and let them fly independently when they are fully fledged with us. We take it as a challenge to transform every single student to be a successful airline professional.
Fledge Institute of Aviation and Hospitality is one of the leading aviation schools in corporate learning and development.
Hi, I am Asra. My dream is to become an air hostess and Fledge will take me there very soon and I am confident about it.
The faculty of the Fledge Institute is up to the mark and provide excellent training so that we can enhance our career.
As the world becomes ever more globalized, the need for air travel grows daily and each one needs to travel further, faster, safe, more environmentally friendly, and for this reason, those within the aviation industry are becoming more and more relied upon as an integral part of modern day international life.
Fledge Institute of Aviation and Hospitality provides students with the essential knowledge and skills needed to ensure they become safe, educated, and experienced professionals.
Our institute focuses on value-based and quality training. We ensure our training and development team works towards meeting these expectations of the institute as well as expectations of students.
Excellent training is provided to students for best qualification, not only to gain experience, but to make sure that they can be considered for jobs within top aviation companies.
Our professional approach towards providing the most functional and fruitful knowledge for each student have enabled this institute to be a leader in this industry.
Fledge gives us wonderful training, wonderful trainers actually. Because of the trainer itself, training goes very well.
The assurance given to the students of quality in teaching is fulfilled by experienced faculty with best technique. The courses provided are for air hostess training, aviation management, airport ground handling, event management and image building. Training for swimming, first aid training, international grooming and exercising through gym and aerobics is also provided to students. Highest quality of education at lowest fee structure prevalent.
The qualifications you can gain from studying with Fledge Institute of Aviation and Hospitality is internationally recognized and will equip you to enhance your career in the aviation industry.
In our institute, all the students as of now has been placed into various domestic and international airlines as air hostesses and ground staff. Recently, some of our students also got into Qatar Airways, which is one of the international leading airlines in the world. And to achieve these placements, the training technique which we impart is impeccable. Our whole team of managers and trainers belongs to airline industry, and that is one of the unique thing about our institute. We welcome you to Fledge Institute. We are here to mentor you into the airline industry to become air hostesses and ground staff.
Now, if you want to enter the world of flying, then add wings to your dreams with Fledge, and we shall make them come true.
You may contact us at Fledge Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, number 411, 4th floor, Commerce House, Cunningham Road, Vasant Nagar, Bangalore 52. You may call us on 9686 499 332. We also have a branch at Koramangala, number 67, 1st Main, 7th Block, Koramangala, Bangalore. You may call us at 9632 811 997. For franchises, you may call us on 9686 499 332. Fledge Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, a career so pleasing, exciting, high above the clouds.